Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find saved pins on your account on Pinterest, easy and quick. First click here on your profile icon and here you'll find saved, click on it, and here you will find all your saved pins, and that's how to find your saved pins on your account on Pinterest, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.